Hello my YouTube family. Welcome to OoniZoni kitchen. Today I'm making very delicious fried bhindi. So to make fried bhindi we need 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 4 to 5 green chilies and 1.5 tablespoon cumin, 1/4 cup cooking oil, 1 cup tomatoes, 1 cup sliced onion and 1 kg bhindi. So let's get started. So first heat up the oil and then add bhindi and sliced onion. Cook it on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes, add tomatoes and all spices. Now mix it well. Now cover it for 10 minutes on low flame. It's ready.